doing? Look at you're sitting. Yay! Big girl sitting. Big girl sitting down. Honey, go.
What?
What are you doing? Bloop! You fell down. Uh-oh.
Yeah, move your feet, man. It was open like.
See? This is hers.
Weird.
This is my choo-choo's.
And this is Malia.
That looks
And
like.
her mommy's right behind her.
Okay, you want to open it up, Lizzie? No, okay, no, let's put this back. It's Christmas Eve. We have to do it tomorrow morning. We're excited.
You can only open one. It's Christmas Eve right now.
I know, but tomorrow will be Christmas morning.